Luckily, there are ways to protect our eyes from the hazards and injuries we've discussed. There are several types of PPE for the eyes, including safety glasses, safety goggles, and face shields. The PPE required depends on the type of eye hazard, how your eyes will be exposed to this hazard, additional protective equipment being used, and your personal vision needs. Additionally, your eye protection must always fit snugly and properly. Be comfortable and cleaned regularly. A hazard assessment by your employer can determine the type of eye protection needed for any job. If you work with chemicals, high-energy light, or machine shop equipment, wearing it is a must. OSHA has regulations in place for when each type of eye protection is required. Safety glasses are eyewear that have shatter-resistant lenses. These are often made of polycarbonate and have side shields. They provide light impact protection and can even prevent large physical objects from striking the eye. They also can provide laser light filtration to prevent retinal burns. Since they have gaps, they don't protect you from splashing liquids, dust, or vapors. Splash goggles are required for all tasks that involve splashing liquids. They also protect the eyes from high-speed debris and small particles like dust. They don't have any gaps and cover the eyes from all angles. This includes protecting the eyes and surrounding skin from above, below, beside, and even behind. Anyone within the splash zone should wear goggles. This zone is within 10 feet of someone working with 50 milliliters or more of a harmful liquid. Goggles do not protect against erupting liquids or those that splash violently enough to penetrate them. Instead, a face shield should be worn for these types of tasks. Face shields are a type of protection worn in addition to safety goggles. They protect the entire face from a hazard. Safety glasses or goggles are worn as well in case anything makes it past the shield. They are usually made of clear plastic and provide good visibility. OSHA requires the use of face shields when working with flying objects, molten metal, both liquid and gaseous chemicals that might explode, as well as potentially hazardous light radiation. Are you a welder? Do you work with arcs of light or flames? If you do, it's important that you know more about how to protect your eyes from radiation. Electromagnetic energy is given off by the arcs and flames produced while completing tasks. The PPE required for welding depends on the job being done. This could include safety glasses or goggles, a welding helmet, and a welding face shield. These glasses, goggles, and face shields must have filter lenses with minimum shade numbers. The higher the shade number, the darker the filter. This means less light radiation can pass through. Some welding tasks and the shade number required are highlighted below. If a welding helmet is also worn, shade numbers are permitted to be slightly lower. No matter which industry you work in, if you'll be exposed to something that can harm your eyes, proper protection is key. Always follow all safety protocols in place to help prevent these injuries from occurring. Sometimes an accident will still happen. Let's talk about how to handle them properly.